boiling water.
Yeah, and to this we're going to be adding in our tomatoes. Sorry for that. Like this. And we're going to cook this for 15 minutes. We are chopping our onions. Are boiled. It'll look like this. The skin is coming off, which we want. So we're going to put this in some regular water. So we're going to peel the skin of our tomatoes. Be where it is hot. So this is how it's going to look after we have peeled the skin. It is quite hot. Now we have to mash this. So here I have a pan with oil, and I'm going to be adding in some onions and garlic. I've chopped these earlier, so I'm going to go and cook these. Once we've cooked these, we're going to add in our crushed tomatoes and cook it for 2 minutes and then take it off the heat. So once it's cooked, it'll look like this, and add some salt into this for taste. Now into our molds, we've got our ceramic containers. Yeah, let's add in some of this tomato and tomato nails.
See mine.
Yeah, it's yours. You're going to flatten it out like this and crack in our eggs.
Okay.
And up it goes. There's our egg. Now you want to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes.